If you need an activity, say for Duke of Edinburgh, community badges, volunteering, and you're looking for something that covers both volunteering and environmental, I may just have a solution for you. Lots of places like I'm in tonight have friends of groups that work with the local council. They're made up of volunteers, and we've contacted our friends of group where we are today. Check Facebook for your local. We're going to carry out with our scouts an environmental project that's going to cover both the community, the volunteering and the environmental. We're looking for a particular plant. Now this plant is listed under the Wildlife Act and under section 9 I think it is, introduced to the UK at about 1800 circa that time. It's an invasive species. It's one that basically takes over woodlands near streams and stops our wildlife growing, the native fauna, the plants. And we're going to go and help pull it out. So this plant goes by different names. It's been called policeman's helmet, copper top, gnome hat stand. But its more common name that you might know is the Himalayan balsam. Once you know what you're looking for, this is balsam here, I'm pulling. Always better to wear some gloves because here we're in with brambles and nettles and things. It pulls out really easily because it's a short-rooted plant, and it's about clearing as much as you can within the time that you've got. And then because you don't want it to spread, you make big piles of the stuff, and then you trample on it to break it all down, and then leave it to rot in place. And you can see pulling out here. Lots to go at. Bit fiddly in places because of all the brambles. But this would grow up and go all over the brambles. So you can see short roots, so very easy to pull, very easy to identify. It's a couple of days now since we've done the balsam bashing, and I've had time to reflect. And looking at it, you know, we've had a bit of an impact in the local area. We spotted some wild orchids that we cleared around that are now able to grow properly because there's no balsam that's going to cover them up and block out the sunlight. And that's really important. So if you see one of these friends of groups or a local balsam bashing event, go and spend an hour. It's good fun. You meet some people, you learn more about the plants and local habitats that are around, and you give something back to the community.